Bible Study Guide. Day 77, Deuteronomy 21-23. In chapter 21, God gives specific instructions for how the Israelites are to handle an unsolved murder in their land. The elders and judges of the town closest to where the body is found are to gather and measure the distance between the body and each nearby town. Whichever town is closest is responsible for handling the atonement for the murder. This serves as a reminder that God values justice and holds individuals accountable for their actions, even if they are not caught by human authorities. God also gives instructions on the treatment of women who are taken captive during war. He commands the Israelites to treat these women with compassion and respect, giving them a month to mourn for their families before taking them as wives. Another command given in this chapter is the right of the firstborn. The firstborn son is to receive a double portion of his father's inheritance, showing the position he holds within the family. This also serves as a reminder to honor and respect the firstborn, as they hold a significant role in their family and community. God also gives instructions for dealing with our rebellious son. If a child is disobedient and refuses to listen to his parents, they are to bring him before the elders of the town and stone him to death. This may seem extreme, but it serves as a warning against disobedience and rebellion towards authority. In chapter 22, God gives a variety of laws, including helping a neighbor's lost animal, not mixing different types of animals for plowing, wearing clothing made from mixed fibers, and building a parapet around the roof of your house to prevent accidents. These may seem like minor details, but they demonstrate God's attention to detail and desire for His people to live in a just and orderly society. God also gives instructions for handling various marriage violations, such as adultery and rape. These laws aim to protect women and hold individuals accountable for their actions. They also demonstrate God's value for marriage and the importance of upholding its sanctity. God continues to give instructions for maintaining purity within the Israelite community. He states that certain individuals are not allowed to enter into the congregation of the Lord, including those with deformities and injuries, illegitimate children, and those from certain nations. This may seem harsh, but it serves as a reminder to the Israelites that they are a chosen people set apart for God's purposes. God also commands the Israelites to maintain cleanliness in their camp. Those who are unclean due to bodily discharges or other impurities are to remain outside of the camp until they have gone through a purification process. This shows God's desire for His people to be spiritually and physically clean, set apart for Him. Chapter 23 finishes with various laws regarding oaths, debt, and other general instructions for living in the land. These laws demonstrate God's desire for justice and fair treatment of others within the community. As we study these chapters in Deuteronomy, we see that God cares about every aspect of our lives. From handling unsolved murder cases to wearing mixed fibers, God has given specific instructions for His people to follow in order to maintain a just and orderly society. These laws also demonstrate God's desire for us to live in purity and righteousness before Him. Let us strive to obey His commands and live a life that honors Him. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless you.